Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andi Umra Agus, name 240121095, and I'm from class PBXC. Here I will answer the question of discourse analysis. Okay, the first question is, what do you know of written discourse analysis? Explain your answer in detail and give example. Okay. Here I will explain about written discourse. Jadi, written discourse analysis is basically dissecting of pitch of writing to understand how it functions as well. It's like examining the building blocks like words, sentence, and grammar to see how they create a structure that conveys meaning and achieve as a purpose. Okay, and another explaining about the discourse analysis is a study that uh, explain how language can be used in written text to convey the message. For example, we can identify keywords in praise used in articles. These keywords and praise can tell us about the main focus of the article and how the author wants to frame the problems. Okay? Okay, the next question is it important to carry out a written discourse analysis? Why? Explain your answer in detail and give example. Okay. My answer is naturally, analyzing written discourse is very unique when it comes to language comprehension. It can aid in a comprehension of the subtitles and deeper meaning of a text, as a text has said in its goal, or the author attempts to pursue the reader. Finally, writing from other genres, for instance, fashion, fastness, can be compared. For example, when we examine an advertisement, written discourse analysis can help us understand how advertisers use language to make their product more attractive and convince consumers to buy product. Okay, next question. Are the approaches used in spoken discourse and written discourse the same or different? Explain your answer, okay? My answer is that we can see oral discourse is usually more spontaneous or uh, understand, while written discourse, on the other hand, is more planned and structured. Oral discourse oral discourse can compare to written discourse, which is more organized. That's mean while oral discourse also usually use non-verbal features such as intonation and gesture to convey meaning, while written discourse does not use this. So the similarity between the two is the both types of discourse analysis are both interested in how language is used to achieve certain goals. Okay, the next question is, what do you think of Keiko's 2001 methodology in carry out written discourse analysis? And do you agree with it? Okay, my answer is Miko analysis of a written discourse focus on small details of a text, such as the use of linking words, cohesion and coherence. Microanalysis of written discourse is very relevant to meet the need for regulation among non-native English readers because it can help them understood uh, how to how to make their reading well structured and easy to understand. For example, in micro analysis, can we look how reader use conjunction to show a connection between ideas, or how they use repetition to emphasize a point. The last question is, what do you know of microanalysis of written discourse? Is it relevant to testify the need of regularity among non-native English readers? Explain your answer in detail. Okay. According to Keiko Samimi's methodology in written discourse analysis 2001 has several strengths. As I know, the first is there is a contextual analysis. In the contextual analysis, that can emphasize the importance of context in understanding written discourse. And the second, there is a data triangulation, namely using various data sources, such as students' SI. And the third is learner perspective, is that we can we can prioritize a student experience and view in the rating process. And there is a mix approach. This mixed approach that combine the qualitative and quantitative method for a more uh, robust and truth free analysis. And also, the last is there is elements of ethnography. Elements at Elements of ethnography here, that integrating participants' observation and interview for more detailed and in-depth insights. Okay, maybe that's all from me. At last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.